Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use the Exodus crypto wallet. First, you'll want to download the Exodus wallet from its official website or your device's app store. Once installed, open the application and create a strong, unique password. This password protects your wallet locally. Most importantly, write down your 12-word recovery phrase and store it in a secure, offline location. This phrase is your ultimate backup, so keep it very safe. Now, let's talk about managing your crypto. To receive funds, simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive and locate its unique receiving address. You can then share this address with anyone sending you crypto. To send cryptocurrency, enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount you wish to transfer. Always double-check all transaction details, including the address and amount, before confirming to ensure your funds go to the correct place. Exodus offers some powerful built-in features. You can use the integrated exchange to easily swap between hundreds of different cryptocurrencies directly within your wallet. Always review the exchange rates and any associated fees before confirming your trade. Additionally, for certain cryptocurrencies, Exodus allows you to stake your assets to earn passive rewards. This can be a great way to grow your holdings, but remember to understand the risks involved with staking. Security is paramount with any crypto wallet. Always ensure you regularly back up your wallet and, most critically, your 12-word recovery phrase. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and never click on suspicious links. If you ever encounter any technical issues or have questions, the Exodus support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.